Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix. You cannot change the storefront information for your account at this time on iOS 17. So if you are experiencing this issue, that you cannot change the specific storefront information on your iOS 17 softwares, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to basically fix this issue. Please watch this video until the end to find out how. So in the case that you are experiencing this issue, one of the quickest fixes we can actually do to solve this is, you need to go ahead and have a zero account balance. And you need to also go ahead and cancel all of your subscriptions so that you're not gonna have issues like this. So all we need to do, locate and launch the App Store, tap on your profile on its top right section, and then tap on your subscriptions over here, and try to go ahead and cancel all of these. If you do have an option, or the option to change and cancel the subscription, just go ahead and just tap on that. Tap on cancel, and that's gonna basically solve your issue. You may experience this issue because you don't have any balance, or the specific country that you're currently in has specific balance, but it's not basically translating to the country settings that you have on your App Store. You will experience this issue. So all you need to do is to go ahead and cancel the subscription. Change your country or region to the specific country or region that you are currently in, and that should solve your issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys will learn something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.